Hello friends and welcome to today's video. So today we're going to be making chai spiced apple cider. I know it's a little bit different than my normal coffee stuff, but this is a coffee shop fall staple and it is honestly one of my favorite drinks if I'm not quite feeling the coffee thing, which is unusual, but there are the moments when I want something different than coffee. So I'm going to be showing you how to make that, so let's get into it.
Okay, so for this recipe, you're gonna need 8 black peppercorns, 8 whole cloves, 4 inches of fresh ginger, 5 cinnamon sticks, 8 allspice, 12 whole cardamom pods, 2 tablespoons of brown sugar, 4 Lipton tea bags, 1 teaspoon of vanilla bean paste, 4 cups of water, and whatever apple cider you choose. Okay, so into that water, you're gonna add in all of your spices. Just leave them whole. There's no need to crush them up. And then you're going to either grate or slice your ginger. If you want a more potent ginger flavor, you're gonna grate it, and if you want your ginger flavor to still be there but just not be as strong, you can slice it. Okay, so you're just gonna put that pot of spices and water over medium heat and bring it up to a boil. You want to do this over medium heat so the spices are steeping for as long as possible. This whole process is going to take about 30 to 40 minutes. You could make it go faster by starting on high heat, but it's not going to be as flavorful and delicious, and honestly the black tea flavor is going to overpower your spices, and that's the great part about chai, is the spices, not the plain black tea. So you just want to bring this up to a boil over medium heat, and I stir occasionally, but it's not something to worry about too much if you're not stirring the whole time. Yeah, also at this point, if you are using a vanilla bean instead of vanilla bean paste, you can always add your vanilla bean at the beginning of this part so your vanilla bean steeps in the whole mixture. So once you reach a boil like this, you're going to start a timer for 15 minutes, and you want this to just boil without a lid on and reduce down for a whole 15 minutes. You can even go longer if you want, but like I said, this whole process takes about 30 to 40 minutes, so once you're at the end of that time, it doesn't really need to steep for too much longer. And at this point, I would get my tea ready. You can use whatever tea you want. In this case, I'm using just plain Lipton black tea. You can use fancy tea, you can use generic tea. It really does not matter because the spices are going to overpower everything so much that your tea quality, it just doesn't matter that much. So yeah, just keep giving it an occasional stir, and then when you do add the tea bags, take it off of the heat, and that'll happen in just a few seconds here. But yeah, you just keep stirring, keep letting those spices steep. You can see that the water has gotten a lot darker over the past 30 minutes that it had been steeping, and yeah, you just keep letting that do its thing. Okay, so now that the tea bags are added, we're taking that off the heat, and then into a bowl we're putting our vanilla bean paste and our brown sugar, and then we're just going to pour our chai mixture over the sugar and make sure that all the chai is strained out, and then we're just going to give it a good stir to make sure the sugar is dissolved and melted into our mixture. Okay, so now for building our drink, you're going to grab your favorite fall mug. Mine is this morning pumpkin mug, and then you are going to fill that about halfway with your chai. I spilled some, so I'm just gonna go grab a napkin, wipe that up, pretend like nothing happened, And then we're gonna top that off with our apple cider. In this case, mine was super hot, so I didn't warm the cider, but you can totally do that in a microwave if you please.
Okay, so I hope you enjoyed that video. This is just the perfect fall spiced drink, and it makes your house smell amazing, it tastes amazing, and it is just that perfect, comforting afternoon drink. I hope you all have a great day. Bye!